Let's see you ride the bike. Pedal. Pedal, pedal, pedal. Yay, good boy. Pedal, pedal, pedal. Yay. Steer with the handlebars. Pedal with your feet. Good boy. I get up here. Pedal, pedal, pedal. Yay, Anthony on his bicycle. There we go. Pedaling my bike. There you go. Watch out for the grass. Watch out for the big, big hill. Watch out for the big, big bridge. Good going, turn right. Anthony, wave to Daddy. Hi, riding my bicycle. All right, pedal through the puddle. Pedal through the puddle. There you go. Splash, splash. Splish, splash, splash. Splish, splash, splash. Anthony, give me 5. Yay, say hi to the camera. Oops.
Oh, I hit the camera.
With your head.
Oh.
Oops. Watch out for the stick. There you go. You can go backwards too. Go the other way, see? You can go backwards. Yeah. Forward and back. How do you like that?